I'm going to show you exactly how much my personal trading strategy made this year. Let's get into it. Since January 1st of 2023, I have been trading my personal strategy and the results have been amazing. The best part is it uses 2 free indicators and is super easy to use. I decided to pick these pairs as everyone trades different markets. These are the pairs I have results for. You can trade literally anything with this amazing strategy I'm going to share with you. Please watch the whole video so you don't miss a thing. The pound-yen is one of the most preferred pairs, so let's start there and see the results. We are on the 15-minute chart, so trades are spread out. The beauty of this is we have a million markets to trade, so we can take multiple entries a day. As you can see, the results are great so far. Some trades were less than 1 risk to reward, which I don't recommend everyone doing, but with this strategy the high win rate improves the success. All of these results start from January 1st like I mentioned earlier, and 2023 has been an amazing year for trading. Let's check out the full results on TraderEdge for the pound-yen. We have an impressive win rate of 86%, granted this is only a few trades, but we will be trading multiple pairs. This way you can see what works well for you. $3,200 profit just from one pair is absolutely amazing though. This is why we trade multiple pairs. Let's move on. Let's check out NAS 100. NAS didn't produce as many trades since the beginning of 2023, but it was still profitable overall. Let's see. We had an 80% win rate, but this is because we only had 5 trades on NAS, 4 winners and 1 loss. Stick around till the end to see how to get all these profits and to see how much I made. Recently I've been trading crypto more, so I decided to show results for Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a total of 11 trades, which isn't too many. Forex produced more trades through the year, which I'll show in a minute. But $1,290 profit is amazing. These results are from risking 1% on my $10,000 my Forex funds account. There's a link below if you're looking to sign up. Sorry about the cursor acting funky. The Bitcoin results were also good. The strategy has performed better on Forex this year so far, but we'll see by December which is best. Next was Euro-Dollar. I've always been a big fan of the pair and it is the biggest Forex market to trade. Naturally I thought it would be the most profitable based off volume, but I was wrong. It still made an amazing 13.98%, which is great for 3 months trading. When all the trades are added up you will see why this strategy is so brilliant yet so simple, and why you'll want to trade it too. The last 2 results to show are for Euro-Dollar and the Pound-Dollar pairs. Euro-Dollar actually made a $1,398 profit since January 1st, which is awesome, and Pound-Dollar made $1,962, an impressive 70% win rate with 12 winning trades and 5 losses. So now I bet you're wondering, what are the full results and what is the strategy? Let me tell you now. So these are my complete results trading 2023 so far across the 3 Forex pairs, NAS 100 and Bitcoin. We have made a very impressive $11,170 and have a massive win rate of almost 73%. What's even more impressive is the 12 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses. This averages around $3,700 per month. That's an amazingly high win rate. This strategy changed my life and it took me 5 years of struggling and countless hours to realize how easy trading really can be. And now it's time for you to learn this information and join the others. I want nothing more than for you to succeed in trading, and this information really helped me. Leaving that 9-to-5 job was the best day of my life, and I hope this information helps you get there too. Click the link in the description, and it will take you to my secret trading strategy that I've been working on since I began trading 5 years ago. It's so easy to learn and everything you need is free to use on TradingView.com. This will be the last trading course you'll ever need to watch, and I hope it changes your life forever like it has mine. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of the course and message me on Instagram if you have any questions. Take the leap and make 2023 your year.